Hey everyone, welcome to PC Error Detective. Chrome using too much RAM can slow down your entire system, but there are simple ways to fix it. In this video, I'll guide you step by step to reduce memory usage and improve performance. Okay, for the first step, let's open your browser, and this is my home screen of my browser. Now click on the three dot icon at the top right corner beside your profile icon, and from here scroll down and click on settings. Then from the left sidebar click on performance. Now scroll down and make sure the memory saver option is turned on because it helps to freeze up the memory it is storing, and it will make your computer faster. So as you can see, it is also being told here, Chrome frees up memory from inactive tabs. So turning it on is must to make your computer faster and for less RAM usage. Okay, then for the second method, go back to the home page, home tab, then click on the three dot icon again. From here click on more tools, then go to task manager, and here you will click on the memory footprint at the top of the options, and from here you can see the tabs that are using the most memories or the most spaces. So select the one you are not using right now, then click on end task, and do this quite a few times, and it will help to free up your memory or to free up your spaces, and also will help to run your computer faster. Now for the third method, click on the extension icon at the top right corner, and from here click on manage extension. Here I have three extensions, so remove the one you think you're not you're not getting helped by it, and the extension is also having too much space of your computer, or it's just wandering without doing any work and you're not seeing any helpful means out of it. So click on the remove option and it will be removed from your computer, creating a free space for it. And last but not the least, the method is exiting all the extra tabs you are using right now, because extra tabs always keep spaces, and it just makes your computer slower. It's must to cut off the tabs you are not using right now. As for this one, I have so many tabs open, so I'll just remove some of it that I'm not using right now. Okay guys, that is it for today. I hope this video has helped you and you have found a solution for out of this video, and if you think it has helped you a lot, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective. See you in the next video. Bye.